Hey everyone, it's Harisu here. Welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I will be gladly showing you guys the Yamaha P125 unboxing and a bit of playthrough. It basically means a bit of playing on the piano. So I'll be showing you the unboxing, obviously, and I'll also be doing a couple of performances describing all the features, or not exactly describing, just showing you the features of it. So yeah, if you guys enjoy these kind of videos, please like and subscribe and comment that down in the comments below. And sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Alright, so it seems like this keyboard here is absolutely amazing for its price, of course, which is $1,000 in Australian bucks. What have I got to say? It's pretty good. It has most of the features you want, including 5 different instruments, or 6. No, that's 4 different instruments with 3 different variations on each one, and an added-in bass, and also some drum kit and some metronome and rhythm stuff. There's a bunch of features in this thing, and it's absolutely amazing for the price. Now, taking it back into my room, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. So if you did enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe, and also comment down to see if you want to see more of these unboxing and music videos. But that's all. It's Harry here. Peace out.